Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and shimmering lakes, lived a young man named Leo. Leo was known far and wide for his boundless energy and zest for life. He had dreams that stretched as far as the horizon, and he was determined to make them a reality. One sunny morning, as the village bustled with activity, Leo found himself strolling through the local market. His eyes widened as he spotted a small, weathered book on a vendor's table. It was titled, The Path of Self-Discipline. Intrigued, Leo purchased the book and began to read it under the shade of an old oak tree. As he read, Leo's thoughts turned inward. He realized that while he was full of ambition, there were aspects of his life that lacked the discipline needed to achieve his goals. One chapter of the book, in particular, caught his attention. It spoke about the power of redirecting one's energy away from fleeting pleasures towards pursuits that would lead to lasting fulfillment. Leo's mind drifted to a habit he had developed, the act of masturbation. He had always considered it a harmless pastime, a way to release stress and feel momentarily content. However, as he reflected on the words in the book, Leo began to see this habit in a new light. He realized that the time he spent indulging in this activity could be better utilized to work towards his dreams. With newfound determination, Leo decided to embark on a journey of self-discipline. He made a promise to himself to refrain from the habit of masturbation for a month, channeling his energy into his passions instead. At first, it was not an easy task. Temptations lurked around every corner, and his body yearned for the familiar comfort. But Leo was relentless. Every time he felt the urge, he would remind himself of his dreams. He would envision himself standing atop the highest peak, having conquered the mountains of self-doubt and distraction. He poured his energy into his creative projects, spending hours sketching, painting, and writing. As the days turned into weeks, Leo began to notice a change within himself. He felt more focused, his mind sharper, and his confidence soaring. The time he would have spent on self-indulgence was now invested in honing his skills and talents. With each passing day, he felt his dreams drawing closer, like the sun rising on the horizon. As the month came to an end, Leo realized he had not only kept his promise to himself but had achieved more than he could have ever imagined. His art had evolved, his writing had flourished, and he had even started a small business selling his creations. The village began to take notice of his talents, and his once distant dreams were now within arm's reach. Leo's journey of self-discipline had taught him a valuable lesson, that true fulfillment comes from redirecting our energies towards purposeful endeavors. He had broken free from the shackles of momentary pleasure and had embraced the power of self-control. The habit he had once clung to had been replaced by a burning desire to create, to contribute, and to make a lasting impact on the world around him. Word of Leo's transformation spread throughout the village, inspiring others to evaluate their own habits and pursuits. People began to reassess how they spent their time and energy, realizing that by choosing self-discipline over fleeting pleasures, they could achieve greatness beyond their wildest dreams. And so, the story of Leo and his triumph over self-indulgence became a timeless tale of the strength of the human spirit. It reminded all who heard it that with unwavering determination and a clear vision, anyone could overcome their weaknesses and achieve remarkable feats. Leo's legacy lived on, a beacon of inspiration for generations to come, encouraging them to choose the path of self-discipline and unlock their true potential. Moral of the story: Leo's journey teaches us that self-discipline is the key to unlocking our true potential. By redirecting our energies away from fleeting pleasures and focusing them on purposeful endeavors, we can achieve remarkable feats and create a lasting impact. Through determination and a clear vision, we can overcome our weaknesses, achieve our dreams, and inspire others to do the same.